Hey guys, what's up? I just want to apologize for the audio not recording. My microphone was not set to on, but I did record it with my phone. So hope you guys still enjoy the video, and this video is for educational purposes only. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so device has remote, and you can see it's connected in to the Okay, so we're gonna actually click on remove MDM. Obviously, you want to register it first, so yes, registered. Remove MDM. Okay, so a little background is that my device was managed, which means I couldn't even get into the device without like a username and password, which I did not have. So this actually bypassed that and allowed me to use the device, even though it literally would not even be possible to use the device. I also want to mention that you guys cannot wipe, restore, or erase your device after you guys do this, or it's going to not work anymore. That's because these device restrictions are an Apple server, so it's technically impossible to even bypass that. The reason why we're bypassing it now is just like to trick the device, but once you restore it back up or erase it, it's going to remember or recognize that it's still locked and it's going to stop working. So just make sure you guys don't do that. Oops. Let's disconnect it. So right now it's restoring. So I just disconnected it. I'm gonna take the screen cord. So this process only literally took a couple minutes. It was super easy once you guys have it registered. Like I said, you go to message the developer on Twitter, Mr. Creator, if you guys have any issues. So now you can see when I actually go through the device, it gives me a lot of more options because now it's bypassed that restriction. So now I can actually set up the device and actually use it, unlike I was able to before. I was literally stuck at the manage screen and have me put in a username and password, and there's no way to bypass that. So literally this does work. As you can see, I'm now in the phone. I'm actually setting up as I'm talking right now, and I'm about to be in the phone very soon. Pretty much stuck, but I'm just gonna show you that it does work, because if we set up, then obviously we're good. Don't share. All right, continue. Welcome, and now we're in. Wow, and go to here. Doesn't say anything about it being locked. Go to general. Scroll down to VPN device management. There's nothing there. Sign in to work or school account. Yeah, nothing. So we're good. Before we couldn't access this phone and use it, and now we can. So as you guys can see, it does work. It's fully functional. Alright, if you guys do want this site, just search up Euphoria Tools on Google. I will not have the link because I don't want YouTube striking me or doing YouTube things. So just search on Google. It should be the first one. Like I said, you guys can also go to Mr. Creator on Twitter, DM him, or find the link in his bio. And then that's it, guys. You're going to bring you here. You have the top one is actually a tool we use in this video, but you have a bunch of other great tools, which I'm probably going to try out for you guys as well to see if they work or not. So, yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.